Welcome to a new video of our channel, The Mind Muser. Guess the national animal. Can you pick the right one? Here is your first question. Which one is India's national animal? Lion, tiger, elephant, peacock? The right answer is tiger. Which one among the following is United States national animal? Here are your options. Grizzly bear, buffalo, American bison, cougar. Correct answer is American bison. China's national animal? Red panda, tiger, crane, giant panda. The right answer is giant panda. Australia's national animal? Koala, kangaroo, emu, platypus. Yes, you are right, it is kangaroo. Good, keep going. Russia's national animal? Options are below. Wolf, tiger, bear, lynx. Bear is the right answer. Canada's national animal? Let's look into the options. Moose, bear, elk, beaver. Correct answer is beaver. Did you guess it right? Let's move on to the next question. Scotland's national animal? Red deer, unicorn, eagle, stag. Dear friends, it is none other than the unicorn. Ready for next question? Only 3 more to go. Japan's national animal? Crane, snow monkey, fox, green pheasant. And the right answer is green pheasant. Here is your second last question. South Africa's national animal? Lion, cheetah, springbok, elephant. Springbok is the correct answer. And the last question of this video. England's national animal? Lion, bulldog, horse, fox. The king of the forest. Lion is the right answer. Now, let us know how many answers did you get right? Please comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you again in our next video. Keep watching The Mind Muser.